are the heroes behind the scene from Little Goa. Good afternoon guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Gavin and guess what? Madin is here back from Mumbai.
Hi.
So she's excited to tag along with us because we are going to try, or rather go back to try the thali at the Little Goa. And here we have behind my mom, she's also come from Mumbai.
Hi.
That's Adrian, and that's Adrian's mom there.
Hi.
So as you guys know, it's been pouring in Goa, and just look at the view that we have here from our table. So everyone's here next to the field. What a sensational view we have here of the field. Adrian and Madin and Mama are going through the menu. And meanwhile, let me just take you around the restaurant. So if you see here, actually it's afternoon time and we are here a bit early. It's around 1 p.m. That's why you don't see a lot of people, but just check out the vibe of this place, guys. The ambience is superb. Just look at all the lights they have here, and if you follow them on Instagram, you'll see that they have some live music happening here in the evenings. And just look at the beautiful lamps and the lighting they have here. So there is a lot of light that is coming in here, although everything is covered. And as I said, they have lots of different tables. I will show you their bar as well in case you are interested. So we've already come here before and we love the food. You know, this is definitely one of our top 10 restaurants in Goa to have the thali. And this here is the AC section. So I'll show you guys as well in case you're here. During the summers, there is a beautiful AC section here. Very neat and clean restaurant. Just look at the split air conditioning here. So everything here is really wonderful. Even the food is great. As I said, we've been here before. We'll be going through the menu now and checking out different items. I will show you the menu as well. And guys, stay tuned till the end because there's a lot of stuff that we are going to get for ourselves. We are 5 of us. The last time we were here, we had the mackerel thali, we had the chonak thali, if I remember, lots of different thalis. And the best part about the thalis is they have so much of variety in their thalis. So let's have a look at their menu. Little Goa, this is the handle for Facebook and this one is for Instagram. And this is their website in case you are interested, and that's the address. I'll leave a description, I'll leave a location link in the description as well. Okay, now let's flip over to the first page. So as you can see, a very simple menu. What do they have here? Salads and soups and starters. So you can pause the video and just have a look at the rates. Okay, it's a bit windy, so I'm finding it a bit difficult to flip the pages. Okay, so we have seafood starters here, fish fingers, crab chili. This is Goan flair. I guess this is the spicy version. Special fried fish, Goan curry, tandoori flair. So many items, guys, but we are especially interested in the thali. So we'll go through the complete menu. They even have Chinese, wow. And then we'll decide what we need to order. Okay, so those of you who are here and are interested in veg food, they have veg options here as well. I haven't tried the veg food here. Last time we had seafood and it was very, very good. Okay, and this here is the non-veg curries that we have here. So in case you want to have naan and if you want to have chicken, mutton, they have those options here as well. And for all our international viewers, if you are interested in continental steak, sizzlers, it's all there here. Desserts, wow, they have Seradura, Bibinka. They even have some ice cream. Okay. And yes, some more options here in continental steak and desserts. I think it's the same thing. As you can see here, everyone has their thalis and they are doing their little barter system like always. So I'll explain to you guys what we have here. This is the kingfish thali. So there's kingfish. This is a little aloo fry which I got from Mama's thali because she is having the veg thali there. And Madin there is having the prawns thali, and Adrian as usual, cannot get rid of her chonak thali. So Adrian has a huge piece of chonak here, and my mom here has the bangdo thali. Okay, so I will let you know, guys, what is there in the thali. So this is some sweet. This is the sol kadi. This is the kismur and tisrio. This one is crabs here. Okay, let me give the crabs to Adrian. Adrian loves crab. I don't. And Adrian and mom are allergic to prawns. So we have all the prawns. This is the beans bhaji. This is the prawns curry, rice and chapati, papad. And look at this beautiful salad here, guys. So I will now switch over to Adrian's thali. So you can see here there's pretty much everything, but Adrian, we've given her the dal and paneer because she can't have the prawns. And this is the chonak. So we've already shown you the big piece of chonak. And what do we have here? The barter system is still going on. What have you all exchanged? I can see some prawns here. So mama here has veg. That's right. And they've already started eating. So let's quickly get a review, starting with Madin, now that she's from Mumbai. Madin, second time to the Little Goa. What's your review?
It's nice as always.
That's right.
Good to eat.
Good to eat, and the best part
Best part is
is variety.
varieties.
Yeah. And look at the huge pieces of prawns what Madin has. So Madin has taken the prawns thali. The rest of the stuff remains the same. And mama here is having veg because she eats a lot of fish at home. So mama, what's your review of the dal and the rice and everything?
It's nice, delicious,
Yes.
as usual.
As usual, that's right. And
And
yes,
but there are more varieties.
more variety in the thali, that's right. Okay, now I'll go to my mom and I will ask her. Mom is from Mumbai. Mommy, bangdo kaswa?
Bangda ekdam bar.
Ekdam barwa. Okay.
Very nice.
So she says that it's very nice. She said in Konkani ekdam barwa. So she loved the food here as well. She's been enjoying the seafood here in Goa. She loves seafood. And now let's move over to Adrian. Adrian, Sonak. Again, she can't stay away from
Stay
Sonak.
away from Sonak.
How's the food, Adrian?
As always, they always serve a lot of variety,
Yes.
and it's really each dish is has its unique taste,
Yes.
and it's lovely.
It's lovely. That's nice. And guys, monsoon season's here. Look at the view of the field that we have here. And look at this beautiful, gorgeous restaurant. So in case if you are in Kalangut, you must come here and try the food here. So if you noticed in the menu, they haven't mentioned the thalis, but thank you, Madin. Madin has been generous and given me the prawns. Okay, so yeah. In the menu, thalis are not mentioned because they are going to be printing new menus. But let me tell you the rates. The bangdo thali is for 180 rupees. The veg thali is for 180 rupees as well. And all the other thalis, the prawns, the chonak and the kingfish, these are special thalis and these are for 340 rupees. Beautiful prawns. So I'm going to start off with the prawns. As everyone said, we've come here before and we know that the food here is so damn good. I mean, I wouldn't mind coming here every 3 or 6 months. That the food here is that good. Okay, now prawns. Let me give you a short description. It's fried in rava, and these are huge prawns, guys. Very crispy. And now let me try the rice with the kodi. So I have a huge piece of kingfish here. I'm going to share a little bit of this with my mom because it's too much for me. Okay. Now let me try the rice. So I have poured the rice over in my thali. The last time I had the rice with a spoon, someone commented on the video that I should be eating this with my hand. So yes, I'm going to eat with my hand, but guys, I'm the one shooting and talking, so it gets a bit difficult if my hands are a bit messed up, but no problem. I will manage. So this here, if you can see here, is the prawns kodi. And there is a lot of rice on this thali, guys. So if you are coming here, I would suggest you come here on an empty stomach. If you see in here, there are bits and pieces of prawns here as well. So let's mix this up with the rice. Again, something very similar to what Adrian's mom makes at home. It's got lovely flavors. I can taste the coconut and all the masalas in the gravy. So the food here is just like eating at home. Now let's go for the beans bhaji. So these are little beans that have been chopped up, and I can see coconut in this as well. It's amazing. Normally I don't enjoy the vegetables so much, but guys, in the thali, when you have so much variety and the beautiful weather makes it so damn delicious. Okay, I see crabs here, so I'm going to hand this over to Adrian. Okay, what do we have here? Tisrio. So if you see here, tisrio has lovely meat inside. And again, it's got some awesome flavors, awesome Goan flavors, guys. As soon as you take a bite of this, you will taste all the lovely masalas, the green chili. Look here, small piece of green chili and the coconut, all of that. See the prawns here. Yeah, actually quite big in size, and when you bite these, they are crispy, and at the same time this has so much of depth in the flavor. If you love seafood, if you love prawns, dried ones especially, you will enjoy this. Okay, now let's see the kingfish here. So the kingfish here is hidden under the rice. I have shared this with my mom, by the way, but still it's such a big piece. And this is kingfish rawa fried. Very nice flavors again, guys. And what do we have here? I'm intrigued by this. I want to try this, but let me first have the sol curry. So as you can see here, there's some condensation on the sol curry, which means it's going to be a bit cold. Oh yes, Adrian's mom said nice sol curry, and I second that, because as soon as you sip the sol curry, it gives you a kick. It's tangy, spicy. You can taste the coriander, and you can taste the lovely fresh kokum that's there in the sol curry. Okay. My mom says very nice prawns. So this here is the dried prawns which we have in the thali, and my mom enjoyed it. She enjoyed the dry prawns. And what do we have here? Shirvoyo. So we have this sweet here. Let's try this sweet. Okay. I just had this sweet, guys. Even this goes really well with the thali. It has soaked up. I've been talking since a while now, reviewing the thali, but this has soaked up all the milky liquid, and this here is called shirvoyo in Konkani. So guys, if you have a look here, we've been having an amazing time, and tomorrow unfortunately we are going to head back to Pune. So yes, this lunch, you can say, is our last lunch here in Goa, but hopefully we will be coming back here soon.
Bye bye.
Bye bye Goa. Bye bye Goa.
So guys, these are the heroes behind the scene from Little Goa. I just wanted to give them the credit that they deserve for the awesome service and the food that they serve here. So until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.